Hi guys, today me and my mom are gonna make the slime making kit. We're gonna make slime with the slime making kit. So I'm gonna show you the slimes, then we're gonna get everything that we need to make slime. So guys, this is called Happy Sun Slime, and it has this happy place on the cloud, and this slime is really soft and fluffy. The other one is not fluffy at all. It is hard. The second one is hard, and don't you see it right here? But I'm gonna show you when I open it, when I play with it, and I don't the slime very much. I like the other one better. I don't like this slime it did. This is how it turned out. It turned out not so good. So I'm just gonna put it back and not play with it. And guys, now we are going to open this and play with it. So let's get started. These clouds need to be back in their place. And can come off the other clouds and any shade. This can't come off. So yep, and let's put this back on. I got stuck. A sticker is stuck in my hair. And get this. Now let's get to making slime. Let's open this. It's locked. This is trial guide, so no kid can open it by yourself. So yeah, that's what this means. So what we're gonna need is we need this is to stir the slime, and I'm gonna make eyeshadow slime. So we have this eyeshadow that we need for it. I'm just gonna get the color out that I want. I want pink, and I'm gonna show you what the eyeshadow makes. After I put this on you, this is what it looks like. So, and you also need this to put your little slime stuff in. You also need this if you want your slime to be crunchy, which I want to see what it likes. And Mom, take this because you're not gonna need this. It's the stretch guns. And this you need. Put some shimmer in that. And that's all you need. Let's put that to the side. Wait, I forgot the shimmering cup. And we need one of these scents. Let's do with this scent. It's my favorite scent. It's the candy scent. So I'm gonna do this to make it smell like candy. Now, first we need our measuring cup, and we need